Can I saw it?
Yeah. You better help him a little bit because it looks like he's going to cut something off.
I can't do it. That knife isn't strong enough. You gotta leave.
What?
Open it.
Looks like Aunt Donna packed it well.
Make sure nothing came out.
Sealed it all up really good. What's this? Read this first. What's that?
Card. It's like an envelope. Guess you know who this is for, cause it's addressed to you. Coop, hope you like your gift. Enjoy, Aunt Donna. But you could never, ever guess the love it brings too. Happy Valentine's Day.
Love Aunt Donna and Uncle Bud.
And Uncle Bud.
It turned up the other way.
Awesome! It's the one from Big Bang.
You have a Kleenex box just like Sheldon Cooper now.
There's more stuff.
No, that's just packing.
I know, so I want to take it out.
Look, she even sent a Kleenex so you can blow your snot.
Here.
It's another piece of white. It's another white piece.
Just like Sheldon Cooper.
Now yell thank you,
Thank you!
Aunt Donna,
Aunt Donna
and Uncle Bud.
and Uncle Bud.
Are you excited?